Today we're going to look at how to do basic animations and also review transitions in Google Slides. So on Google Classroom, you will see a couple of things. First of all, A&T Practice is a Google Slides file that has your name on it. That is the file you're going to be turning in today. And this is simple instructions that review animations and transitions. So you're going to want both of those opened up. But again, this is the file you're going to be working with. So on the first slide, you see there's a spot for you to put your name. Please do that. This link just goes to this file, so you don't really need to click on this link. On slide 2, if you put it in present mode, you will see waves rise, a boat floats across the screen, followed by a fish. And that is an example of the type of multiple step animation I want to see from both you and your partner. So 2 total scenes need to be animated in the final version of your story project. To get an idea of how I did this, all you need to do is take a look at how animations work. Again, explained on this animations and transitions document on page 1. We access the animation pane over here, and you can see that I had my waves fly in from the bottom. I had them happen with the previous action. The previous action was the slide transition, so as soon as I clicked present, it all started. Your animations are going to need to play automatically, so no clicks will be involved, so make sure that none of your animations are set to on click. That's no good. My boat flew in from the right after the previous action. The previous action was the waves rising, so that happened seamlessly. And then I had that medium fast, closer to the fast side here. And my fish flew in from the left, a little bit closer to medium speed. That's why the fish was moving a little bit slower. And that happened with the previous action. So the boat started moving the same time that the fish started moving. And again, you can check that for yourself. You can see exactly what I did. It's called debugging when you take a look at the code, or in this case, the order and the choices that I made. Slide 3 is where you're going to create your own version of the fish and boat scene. Now, please do not spend all period on this. Spend 5, maybe 10 minutes on this. You don't have to use the same clip art, but you can. You can simply copy and paste if you want to. And as soon as you feel familiar, you feel comfortable with making a multiple step animation that plays automatically, like mine, then you're ready to move on to slide 4. And slide 4 should take you all of 15 seconds. If you don't understand how to do transitions, again, go back to this document, look at page 2. It's all explained on there. We previously looked at animations and transitions on the Google Slides to the point activity, so you should be pretty familiar with them, but this is good practice for you. And again, both you and your partner are required to animate with multiple step animations, part of your story. I'm not talking about just making your words appear and disappear. There's no reason your words should ever be moving on the screen, or very few reasons. And that'll be part of the grade, a major part of the grade for the final version of this story project. I am away. I will be out of state. I will be on the other side of the country. So messaging me on Schoology won't necessarily get you as quick answers as it usually does. You can certainly give it a try. You can ask other people around you for assistance. Don't let them do it for you, but ask them to help you by showing you what you're missing. And make sure you turn this in today. The A&T practice needs to be turned in today to receive credit. And your story project is, of course, due next week. Enjoy.